see him so they're getting out the way.
Dad, I want to see it, Daddy.
Wonder if it's the same one.
Oh! Let's go get the van.
I told you to go get the van. You don't believe me. You don't ever believe me.
Okay, get everybody to come out because Ben caught a fish.
Guys,
That's
is
big.
it a big one?
Yep.
Woo!
Man, there's humongous one right here, too.
Oh shoot!
You have a net? Go get one of the.
I don't have a net.
Go get one of the nets from the little thing.
Bring the.
Holy cow, it's
Here,
huge.
it's right here.
Oh my god. It's just wandering around. What are you doing? He's gonna...
You want me to get closer to it? Here.
God, that thing's
Here.
big. Oh, good.
Yeah, he caught a fish.
Man, it's humongous! Oh my god, it's humongous! You gonna pull it out? Watch it, guys. Whoa! Whoa! God, that's humongous thing.
Watch it, watch it.
Don't get too close.
For real.
Come here. No, come look. He's too big.
Quiet you. Oh, it got in here.
Wait, I want a picture!
Hold up.
Hurry up. You had 20 minutes.
You got him?
Oh my god, this thing is humongous. Look how big that thing is.
Eyes.
Hold on, let me move back a bit. Oh god, it's stuck in his eyes?
Take a picture.
That hurts them.
It does. They're kind of like humans.
What, it hurt us?
Yes. Wait, hold on. Keep him right there. Keep him right there for a while.
Man, you gotta hold him up and take a picture with your hand.
No. Well, just grab it.
What are you doing?
What?
That was
Ah!
gross. You got it, Malena?
I got it. Woo!
Videotaping it.
Oh, it's humongous.
Frame it. Thank God he caught something.